and founder of CR Projects, Christopher Rani, at a press conference held today, the 11th of July 2022, had informed media persons that he has been defamed and slandered through a news item that was published on the 11th of July 2022 in one of Meghalaya's leading dailies, wherein it was alleged that various non-starter projects of the Health Department of the state have been lying unutilized, thereby resulting in waste of crores of public money. While stating that the state-of-the-art multidisciplinary investigation center at Pasture Hills, Laumali, Shillong is being reconstructed and refurbished to best suit the needs of the public, Christopher Rani informed that the project is in a PPP mode with the government of Meghalaya, where infrastructure and land have been donated by the government through funds committed by the central government. Rani went on to say that the diagnostic center that was inaugurated on the 21st of January this year is yet to become fully functional due to various procedures that have to be followed, especially as far as the procurement of equipments from other countries, manpower, and other required processes for the setting up of the center are concerned.
Non-starter health projects cost crores, making it an eye-washer for the people thinking that the government has given 100 crores of public money. But without their actual understanding, they should know better. Where or what has really the 100 crores been sanctioned by the government? Is really that the government has spent 100 crores on such a project. We are on a PPP mode. Shillong Times and its so-called investigating team should have had better knowledge and better resources to come forth. Now, instead of them going to our center and meeting our employees, they should have actually reached out to us. We are a local company based here out of Shillong, Meghalaya. We've tied up with one of the best diagnostic centers in East India, having more than 67 centers all over the country, to give what? The best of healthcare to our people in Meghalaya. Yes, we did sign the MOU in 19 June. But they should also understand the fact that nothing happens overnight, no miracles can happen. After the MOU was signed, it did take the government a little bit of time, obviously it would, to vacate the Pasteur Institute. There were chemically hazardous equipments, vials that had need to be disposed of in a very particular way, because it would cause hazard to a lot of other people around the institute. Yeah, the Ganesh Das. So we had to dispose of it in a very scientific way, where we needed a proper team to do that. It took us almost about 5 to 6 months to do that. Then along the way, we needed a team, a very specialized team, to actually reconstruct, the heritage of the Pasteur Institute. It was built through the British times, the buildings. We had to reconstruct it, remold, and bring it in such a way that, it would stand and stand strong for the next few years. And we had to use the best of expertise. That took us almost about 3 to 4 months. I will justify, I need not, but I want that the people of Meghalaya should know that we are here to give the best to our people. That took us time. Then came the pandemic, COVID time. We had to rebuild that entire infrastructure. And despite the fact, I think all of us would know that the difficulties and the challenges we had to face during the COVID times. If you had a really good investigating team, you would have actually seen what was then and what it is now, rather than just making false accusations and slandering someone's name openly and saying it's a 100 crore project. Then we had people that we had to encourage our laborers, contractors, architects, civil engineers, working along with the health engineering wing during the entire COVID time. And at the same time, at this particular site, we had the COVID testing side by side. Our laborers were very very, very scared at that point of time because they were testing COVID patients there and we were constructing here. But nevertheless, by the grace of God, none of our employees ever got COVID. We followed the right protocols. We built it. We started this project with the aim that we will cater to the people of Meghalaya, for them to not travel to Guwahati, make their lives easier and make it the best, make it a landmark in our state, right? When the government gave it to us. But then, when you say that we will receive 100 crores, let me make that very clear. Because at the end here, Shillong Times blatantly say, and it shows like, okay, there's corruption. Well, I'm sorry, there is nothing like that, because you know why? Here's the insight to it. This project is on a PPP mode, and the payment or whatever funds are supposed to come from the center through donor, which till today the state government has not received. So how can the state government disperse 100 crores? And do they really know whether it is really a 100 crore project? It can be a 1,000 crores project, 5,000 crore project. We aim it to be higher. Till as of date, the government has only spent 10 lakh rupees here for equipments.